Hi guys, welcome back to Pracky Reviews. I hope you're really enjoying my videos as much as I'm enjoying making all of those. And here's the thing. So today I have a very interesting video with me, which is about the Nykaa haul. So this is my first Nykaa haul, and to know what my experience would be, keep watching the video. Hello there, and so today I have on Pracky Reviews a very exciting video. I'm so excited, I cannot tell you all, because this is the first time I have ordered from Nykaa.com, and I have been wanting to do that, but I was always sitting on the fence and never actually bought anything out of Nykaa.com. I used to always go to the whatever, like the malls where you have the kiosks of particular brand and shop from there. I was always wary of shopping from Nykaa too much, but this time I really went ahead and did it. This was post the lockdown because I was so I couldn't find anything. There were no shops open. So the moment I thought I could order online, I was like, yay, let me just do this. So today I have with me this my first Nykaa order. So I don't know why it's come in a really big box, but I haven't really ordered so many products. I'm going to show you what all I've ordered. But this is how it is. So I really think Nykaa should rethink a bit of their packaging. That would be great. So let's see. So this came in, I ordered it online, and the payment was online for the lockdown. They weren't accepting cash on deliveries, but I mean they said that their staff is going to take all the utmost precautions, and it was a very safe shopping kind of a thing. So I went ahead and ordered it, and today I got this shipment in like 3 to 4 days, which is awesome. This was really fast. It was faster than I expected. I thought it will take at least like 10 days or something with all the lockdown and everything going on. But here it was, and I'm so happy. Just that because it was a cardboard box, I let it stay out for a while, meaning 3-4 days, like because I couldn't sanitize it or something, you know, it being a cardboard box, and I wanted to do this video, so I kind of waited for a while. And so this is it. So let me go ahead and open this box and let me show you what all I have bought in my first ever Nykaa haul. So this has come with a lot of bubble wrapping. As you can see, I just opened the box, and that's a lot of bubble wrap. But then, like, my products are all bubble wrapped. Each of them are bubble wrapped. So this is another product, and this is it. So I'm gonna open these individual packets and show you all what exactly I have got from Nykaa in my first ever Nykaa haul. So let me just go ahead and open these guys for you. Oh cool, so they have made like a pocket where you can just open this. So this is my first thing that I've got. It is the Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. As you can see, I'm a big fan of winged eyeliners, and winged eyeliners is my thing. So I used to use the Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner, but gloss is not always nice, you know, and especially through the day and whatever, when there are too many harsh lights, it feels kinda disco sometimes. So hence the matte eyeliner. I absolutely love Maybelline's the brush, eyeliner application brush. It is to die for. It is so precise. It is amazing. So I'm really looking forward to using this product, and in a matte form, this eyeliner. I'll be doing the reviews of these in separate videos later, but for now this is what I got. This is the first thing. The next thing what I got is, again, it is okay, this is gonna take some time. The next thing that I have got here is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and it is the waterproof version. So this is, I guess, for 335 rupees you get this, and this is hyper curl like crazy. Like, you have this mascara on and you you know, that's all you need. You need a little bit color on your lips and you're set to go anywhere for the day. And it stays, man, it stays on forever until you really remove it with like proper waterproof makeup. This guy will stay on your eyelashes. That's a promise. So this is one of my favorite mascaras, so I keep going back to this. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So this is my second product. I have got these two little guys. That's a lot of bubble wrap for something which is not even glass. So that's the only thing I have to say to Nykaa. Nykaa, please reduce, please reuse. And then I have these guys. So I have ordered these two pencils, and this is basically the Kohl crayon from Wet n Wild. Wait a second. Yep, Wet n Wild. So this is the Calling Your Buff eye crayon. I ordered this. This is basically a skin color eye crayon, eye pencil, which kind of get rid of any redness that you have, and it gives your eyes a very fresh look. So instead of white, I prefer using this. So this is like a really long pencil. I did not expect it to be so long. Can you see this? It's that long. So this guy is gonna be with me for like forever. I think this is one good thing. And then I couldn't find I wanted a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, but I couldn't find it. So instead I got this one, which is the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in dark brown. So my shade is actually, my hair shade is dark brown, and black looks too much on my face, so I was looking for a deep dark brown eyebrow pencil. And this one has a cute nice mascara kind of brush, so which I can use it for, like, you know, grooming my eyebrows. So that'll be a great thing. So I have these 4 products from my first Nykaa haul ever, and the excitement is amazing. I love them, and I can't wait to use each one of them. I can't wait to review each one of them separately. So I'll link down below you can find videos to each of these products later. And for now, I'm just jumping with joy for my first Nykaa haul. Yay! So that's about it from me, Pracky Reviews, and I hope you liked and you look forward to these reviews and videos. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, because show me some love, guys. Okay, bye bye.